We have PMC Paima content creators with us. Would you like to talk to them, sir? They are waiting to talk to you, sir.
Please give me.
Yes, sir. We have Vaishnavi from Andhra Pradesh. She is a PMC Paima channel content creator. She makes videos for PMC Paima and she teaches yoga as well as meditation to so many youths. So, Vaishnavi, please unmute yourself and come into spotlight.
Yes. Thank you so much, Venu Anna. Good morning, sir.
Wow, wow.
Very happy to see you, sir. Yes, finally, we are here. And I'm blessed with meditation. So, what can I do? All I could do is I can spread this happiness in the entire world. So, I'm on the way and I'm in the path.
Please tell everybody how you came into meditation and why and when.
Yes. I came into, I have been in family of meditation, like from the time I was born. I've been meditating, but maybe from the past 3-4 years, I've just seen it's not just meditating. How we have to apply that energy, whatever we are receiving like in meditation, how we have to apply that energy, and how I can change my reality exactly. Like how can I use that energy to enhance my to balance my emotions and to balance my relationships, my everything, like my birth. I understood how to balance it. Then I understood how compassionate you are. Like you just learned it and you are spreading to all of us. It is such a beautiful inspiration to us. So yes, I'm here to just whatever I understood, because I've been meditating, but when I went to QLU, Quantum Life University, there I understood how I have to spread this, whatever I learned. How can I make myself useful to the world? How can I serve? How can I make others also understand this is a beautiful tool to us? We don't have to go anywhere or to any person. We can just sit somewhere, meditate, travel into you, and change your life. It's just like miracle for me, and I am completely into it, and I want to spread it. And here, Venu Anna is with us. Paima is there to spread that beautiful knowledge. And then in the meditation, I understood, like I have been into studies and I'm just working now in IBM. But the thing is, I was never into people. I was never mingling with people. But whenever this meditation like came into my life, I became myself. Like I'm open to everyone. Like I know how to spread love, how to spread knowledge. And then this yoga came to me, the knowledge of yoga, from where I don't know. Maybe from inside me, I don't know. There was no guru, but I understood it is there with me from many lifetimes. All I have to do is I have to just explore it. I have to open the chapter of my life. That's it. And then that is there. And then I understood it's beyond asanas. There is dhyana in yoga. That's what we have to concentrate. And I'm teaching the same. And even today, till 7:30, every day from 6:30 to 7:30, I've been teaching yoga. The importance of connection with body to be healthy. And then we enter into spirituality.
Hey, show some yogasanas right now.
Yes, it would be bliss. Seriously, I could show. So yes, what will be the best yogasana? This is Anapati Asana. One of my friends said, Indrani, she is here. Anapati Asana, where we just travel into ourselves. She named it Anapati Asana. You know Indrani, Krishna Mohan sir's daughter.
Yes,
I'm from Tadipatri, sir, yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So let me know what can I teach you today for every one of you.
Just show some asanas.
I would love to show. Yes, we will see Veerabhadrasan, warrior pose, because we are all spiritual warriors. We should be ready to everything, like just fighting kind. So Veerabhadrasan one is something which is very, but we need energy. So what we have to do is, so yes, here we are in Veerabhadrasan. Warrior one.
Yes.
Yes. And from here we can use the warrior. Reverse warrior. And then humble warrior. This is something I love a lot. where I greet my Mother Earth. I say love you to the Mother Earth. Where I just directly go down and say thank you, kiss the Mother Earth.
Wow,
Yes.
wow, wow.
Wow. This is something how we connect with ourselves, understand the importance of every single asana, not just physical movements or something, but there is a lot of knowledge beyond it. I want to spread as much as I can.
Padmasana, Padmasana.
Yes, Padmasana. It is something which makes us align completely, forms a circuit in our body. Wait, let me just show. So yes, and yes, again, Padmasana is not something just sitting here. The most important thing about Padmasana is what are we doing after entering into Padmasana? So we are here, and then comes the most important thing: calm your mind, just observe your breathing. Every asana is linked with breathe. The importance of breathe is that there is no yoga without breathe. Asana, pranayama, whatever. Breathe is the only thing our guru in the yoga. That's what I understood. There is no use if we don't understand that inner sense of yoga. I'm so lucky to be here, sir, talking with you.
Wow. Poonamji, can you do Padmasana like that?
Yes, every one of us can do. Try every one of us.
सर मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ.
मर जाएंगे आप.
We have the
आपकी
option
हड्डियां
half
टूट जाएंगी.
Padmasana. Let us try half Padmasana. Only one leg. We can form the circuits to increase the energy in our body.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. भुजंगासना.
You want to see Bhujangasana? Bhujangasana is something. Our navel, it will be touching the ground, elbows are close to the body, and here look right. That's it.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, Shirshasana.
Yes, I love to do that. You want to see it? I would love to do that. And Shirshasana importance is to stop the entire running brain. Because people who can't into the meditation, this will help them in the beginning.
पूनम जी कैसी है ये आंध्रा की लड़की?
Yes, it's very easy actually. All we have to do is practice. That's it. Yeah.
बाप रे. Super.
But again, it's nothing about asana. It's again about how I balance breathe, how I shut my thoughts in just a second and get to align myself. So if you sit in Padmasana, it is yoga. It is even yoga. If you do Shirshasana, it is yoga, but be with yourself. Be a yogi, that's it. It's not about asana, no comparisons.
Kukutasana. Kukutasana.
Kukatasana. Actually, I don't know this. I know Kakasana, I know. Yes, Kukatasana, I remember now.
सर आपको सब मालूम है.
Yes, sir knows everything. I could see now. Yes. So Kukatasana is something.
पहली बार सुन रहे हैं.
Yes, something kind of this way.
Oh my God.
Where I have to completely on my palms. And I don't practice this much. Thank you for remembering me, sir. I'll make this more into my practice. So I just have to stay here on my palms and lift my legs up. I don't think you can see the complete video. Sorry, I'm in laptop. Thank you so much. It was such a beautiful interaction with you.
Mayurasana. Mayurasana.
Yes. Mayurasana requires a lot of energy. And yes, stay here and lift your legs up to the sky.
Wow.
Wow.
But yes, I'm here.
Sorry यार मैं आपका बहुत सका दिया मैं आज. I have given you a lot of work. Sorry.
No, sir, it's never work. It is something I love to do. And I'm here to say, it's okay if you do all of this. And even it's completely okay if you don't do all these. But still, just be in this yogic path. But if you want a healthy body, And look at me. My age is something around 25, but everyone, if they see me, they might think I'm just some 9 or 10 or maybe some teenager. And I decided to stop the aging. How? Just because of yoga. Because I want to live 150 years here along with sir, spreading all the happiness and whatever I can do. So I need to keep my body healthy. The only way is yoga and meditation. And yes, vegan food. No animal products, only plant-based products. Not food anyway. And of cosmetics, everything. Just be happy vegan. Thank you, sir, for this knowledge. We are vegetarians today in our home just because of you. I should acknowledge this. We are all, whenever we came into this earth, like I just took this life, my parents were already vegetarians. Only because of you.
Wow.
Hey, show me your parents.
Yes, mommy. And you know my Tata, Venkat Reddy, sir, if you know. Tata, I would love to call him. Very happy to interact with you today. Tata.
So sweet, sweet
Bring
girl.
your Tata.
Yes.
They are from a
That you
town
come
called
to my coincidence with.
बैठिए. Sit down.
Just giving you chair.
అయ్యా రెడ్డి గారు నమస్కారం.
నమస్కారం సార్, నమస్కారాలు, దండాలు. మీ మార్గదర్శనంలో మా ప్రయాణము సాఫీగా ఆనందంగా సాగుతున్నది సార్. ఈ మనవరాలు కూడా
అయ్యా
ఇదే మార్గంలోనే కొనసాగుతుంది. ఈ అన్ని అద్భుతాలన్నీ మీ గుండా ప్రేరణ కనిపించాయి. ఆ కనెక్టివిటీతో అర్థం కాక ఉంది, ఆనందదాయకంగా ఉంది. అసలైన మార్గం చూపించారు ఈ ప్రపంచానికి. దాంట్లో మేము మీ సమకాలికులుగా వచ్చి మీ మార్గంలో అడుగులేస్తూ ముందుకు పోతూ ఉంటే ఎంత ఆనందదాయకంగా ఉంది సార్.
పూనంజీ is the grandfather of the girl and he's a great
grandfather.
Grandfather sir, she is
and the great pyramid master.
Okay.
సార్ యోగి సార్, మీరు టైటిల్ ఇచ్చారు సార్. దాంట్లో 100% అబౌవ్ మేము నమ్మకం పెట్టుకున్నాము. అది యథార్థంగా జరుగుతుంది. లోక కళ్యాణానికి మనం అంతా వచ్చాము, ధరింపబడ్డానికి. చిన్న మొలక ఎదుగుతూ ఉంటే అత్యంత ఆనందదాయకంగా ఉంది సార్.
వాయబో. అచ్చా, where is your dad?
My dad, he just went out, but my mother is here.
Vivek is just gone outside, sir. He is real only Vivekananda Reddy.
He is Vivekananda Reddy. You might
Vivek,
have
sir.
seen him many times when you came to Tadipatri.
Tiranga is our daughter-in-law and Padmavati is our madam.
We are a happy family and a spiritual family just because of this meditation and classes. I should acknowledge it, and I'm just very grateful, sir, for all these.
You're just sweet girl.
Poonamji, they are
Yes.
from a place called Tadpatri. So my name is also there in the town.
Yes.
I went to that place many times.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it's a very very town, Tadpatri. And this young girl is such a wonderful.
ఇవన్నీ మాకు సంపూర్ణంగా ప్రాప్తిస్తున్నాయి సార్. దాని వల్లనే మేము పురోగతి ఎంతో ఆనందంగా భావిస్తున్నాము. మా కార్యకర్తవ్యాన్ని కూడా నిర్వర్తించుకుంటూ ఉన్నాం సార్. మీ మార్గదర్శనం ఆనందంగా ఉంది, జరిగిపోతున్నాయి సార్. మరి కరోనా వచ్చిందంటే పాఠం నేర్పడానికి వచ్చింది, కారణం లేదు, కార్యాలు లేవు. మీ గత మేము నేర్చుకున్న వాళ్ళము. అన్ని సవ్యంగానే జరిగిపోతాయని భావిస్తూ తొందరగానే.
This Master Venkat Reddy Garu is my great friend, Poonam.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And I never knew that he has got such a granddaughter.
Yes, sir. She's such a beautiful, sweet girl, wonderful girl.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
Thank you, Baba.
So sweet of you, kind of. Thank you, sir. It was such a memorable time.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
All I hope is I can meet you one day in person, and thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, Venu, go ahead.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Vaishnavi. That
Thank
was a beautiful sharing. Thank you so much. Doing yoga, asanas in such a quick way and very instantly you done that. That was really amazing. I was astonished by seeing your yoga asanas. Thank you so much. Sir, we also have Indra Krishna Mohan with us. Indra Krishna Mohan is, she's also from Tadipatri only, from Andhra Pradesh. She has been practicing meditation since her childhood. Indra Krishna Mohan, please unmute yourself and talk to us. And Indra Krishna Mohan, Indrani, she is like, she has been sharing her wisdom through PMC channel, PMC Paima. Since this lockdown, she has been sharing her wisdom, whatever the knowledge she got from meditation, from
Are Baba, she's international master. She's international master, Indrani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Please unmute yourself and come to spotlight.
Thank you, Envana. Namaste, sir. Namaste to everyone. I'm so happy to be here. It's all because of our Guru, our friend, Brahmarshi Pidamaha Patriji. Thank you so much, sir. I'm very happy to be here, to be a part of Paima and to be a part of PMC.
First of all, tell about your parents, then tell about yourself.
My name is Indrani Krishna Mohan. I am from Tadipatri. So I have been meditating from the childhood since I am in my mother's womb. She has been meditating from since then. Before when their marriage happened, they have been meditating from there. So my parents are Soumya Krishna Mohan and my father is Krishna Mohan, and we live in Tadipatri. And they have been, my father is into many services right in the Tadipatri and in the PSSM. They are trustees of Quantum Life University, and also my father is the director of PMC Telugu. So I'm their daughter, sharing the wisdom which I know, like all of you. That's it, sir. We are very happy, sir, to be in this meditation, and even my grandparents, because of my grandfather, we are into this path of meditation. Thanks to him. Thanks everyone.
See, this is coming from grandfathers to granddaughters, Poonamji. All PSSM masters.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ से कहाँ आया देखो.
Yes, sir.
मैं क्या बात करूं अभी. मैं तो गदगद हो जा रहा हूं ये ग्रैंडफादर को ग्रैंडडॉटर्स को देखते हुए.
Yes, sir. ध्यान खून में ही आ गया.
देखो ना फिर. Okay, Indrani, continue your message to everybody for Calcutta people.
Sir?
Continue your message for all Calcutta people.
Your message is my message, sir. And right now, I'm no one can run away from their fear. I came to know that no one can run away from their fear, and everyone has to face it. If you are going to postpone it, one day you are definitely going to face it. Then now, instead of running away, just acknowledge it, accept it. Then there will be no fear. You will love to do it. This is what I learned from the past 6 days, sir. No one can run from fear, whatever they have. We have to take charge.
Yes. We have to face death.
Yes, sir.
Invite death into our homes, into our bodies, and live with the death. Okay, then overcome the death.
Yes, sir. Right now also, sir, before I don't want to join this session, but there is something in me says you have to join. So I just feared. I don't know what is that fear before to join, but I joined. I want to overcome it. I want to face it. I just joined this session. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Where is your younger sister?
She is still sleeping, sir.
She is still sleeping. Okay. When are you going back to Chennai?
I don't know, sir. When the college opens, we'll go back, and my parents are in Quantum Life University, and within few days, me and myself and my younger sister will also go there and attend the family constellation workshops.
Are you cooking for yourself now?
No, sir. I am trying few of the cooks, but one auntie is sending to us.
Okay, 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 okay. Thank you, इंद्राणी जी. नमस्कार आपको.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
आपको प्रणाम.
Thank you
Yes.
so much, sir. Pranam, sir.
Thank you so much, Indrani. That was really great wisdom you have shared with us. Thank you so much. Sir, we have Hashita with us. Hashita, she is also spreading meditation to all the youths at her place. She is also from Andhra Pradesh.
Yes.
Let us welcome Hashita, sir. Hashita, please unmute yourself and come to spotlight. Yes.
Thank you so much, Venvanaya. Very pranams to you, sir. सर यहाँ पर आने के पहले ये मीटिंग अटेंड होने के पहले एक जो मिराकिल हुई थी सर, when I was sleeping in the night, मैं आपको देखी थी कि मैं आपसे बात कर रही थी इसी येलो कलर की ड्रेस में.
Wow.
और 4 बजे उठकर मम्मी से कह रही थी कि मम्मी मैं पत्री सर से मिल गई थी और मैं पत्री सर से ये बात कह रही थी कि दैट इज पत्री जी. पता नहीं क्यों मैं ये बात आपसे कह रही थी, लेकिन बाद 5 o'clock को मुझे ये इंफॉर्मेशन आई थी कि पत्री सर हम मिलने आ रहे हैं.
अभी आप किस शहर में हैं?
सर हमारा तेलंगाना की भद्राद्री कोत्तगुडम है सर.
अच्छा, कोत्तगुडम. अच्छा, भद्राचलम.
यस सर.
And about your parents?
सर मेरे पापा और मम्मी पिछले 15 वर्ष से ध्यान में आए हैं सर.
वाह,
हमारा
देखो
फैमिली
ऐसा
पूरा.
ही होता है. हाँ.
सर हमारे मदर है सर. सर
दिखाइए.
ये लोग तो ओशो के बहुत बड़े फैन है सर. कभी बात करते हैं तो ओशो के बारे में बात करते हैं, ओशो के जैसे बात करते हैं.
अरे वाह वाह वाह. नमस्कार मैडम.
नमस्ते सर.
ये संगति.
बहुत खुशी है बात करके.
अच्छा, आपका संदेश दीजिए.
सर 15 साल से ध्यान में है सर. हम ये बहुत खुश है सर ये ध्यान में आकर. असली जिंदगी क्या है, असलियत क्या है पहचान लिए सर. हम जो सांस से दोस्ती करते हुए हम ये जिंदगी आगे सामने जा रहे हैं सर. ये जो सांस हमको आगे ले चल रही है.
पूनम जी कैसे है माँ बेटी?
सर
पूनम जी कैसे है माँ बेटी?
फर्स्ट क्लास सर.
सर हमारा फैमिली तो सर्विस के लिए डेडिकेशन हो गया है सर. जो पापा कहते हैं मैं कमा रहा हूँ सिर्फ पिरामिड बनने के लिए, मम्मी बोलती है मैं पका रही हूँ पिरामिड मास्टर्स को पकाने के लिए, और मैं हूँ पाइमा मास्टर्स सभी युवता को ध्यान में लाने के लिए. यही हमारे जीवन का कर्तव्य है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात
कर लिए.
अरे आपके पापा को बुलाओ.
सर पापा नहीं है सर अभी, और पापा भी का ये भी है तो है सर. आप भी बताए हैं पापा का बिजनेस जो है वेजिटेबल्स का बिजनेस है सर. तो वो कहते हैं मैं इस जन्म के लिए आया हूँ कि सबको शाकाहारी बनाने और वेजिटेबल्स बांटने.
अरे वाह, अरे वाह.
क्या
सर
बात है.
एक छोटी सी कविता आपको मैं सुनाना चाहती हूँ सर इस वक्त.
बिल्कुल.
जिंदगी का खेल.
क्या बात.
जिंदगी का खेल तो कभी समझ में आता ही नहीं. कभी कभी जीत की जोड़ी से हंसाता है और कभी हार की जोड़ी से रुलाता है. कभी आनंददायक बनाता है और कभी दुख की सागर के लहरों से टकराता है. कभी ऊंची सीढ़ी चढ़ाता है और कभी नीचे गिरा देता है. कभी प्रेम की उपहार देता है, कभी द्वेष की पत्थर से मारता है. मानवता का फूल खिलने लगाता है और क्रूरता की माला बनाता है. मित्रत्व की नदी में बहाता है, शत्रुत्व की आग में जलाता है. धैर्य की सिंहासन चढ़ाता है और डर की शक्लों से भगाता है. कभी एकता की हाथ जुड़ाता है और कभी अकेलापन की दीवार बनाता है. असत्य वाली आसमान को आंखों को दिखाता है, सत्य और नीति वाली वायु को नजर से छिपाता है. जब भी हम ध्यान कर लेते हैं तो सत्य पता चल जाता है, पर जिंदगी का खेल तो बहुत ही मजा आता है.
वाह 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 वाह. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. हिंदी में देखो ये आंध्रा की लड़की.
हम लोग तेलुगु में नहीं लिख सकते हैं और ये हिंदी में पूरा कविता लिखा है. वाह.
सर हमारा रीजनल लैंग्वेज पूरा तेलुगु ही है सर. पर मेरा मदर टंग तो हिंदी हो गया। मैं जानती हूँ कि मैं तो ओशो की स्पीचेस सिर्फ सुनने के लिए हिंदी में पैदा हुई थी, हिंदी सीखनी थी। और मैं मेरी पास्ट लाइफ को देख ली हूँ सर। 13 वर्ष की उम्र में मैं ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ अ योगी किताब से कनेक्ट हो गई थी और महावतार बाबा की हेल्प से उनसे बात करना शुरू की थी। उनके द्वारा एस्ट्रल ट्रैवल करना शुरू की थी सर। और मेरी जीवन की पर्पस जो भी है, मैं स्पिरिचुअलिटी को सभी को सिखाना है और स्पिरिचुअल आगे आगे बढ़ने मेरे फ्यूचर में एक स्पिरिचुअल यूनिवर्सिटी और स्पिरिचुअल स्कूल को स्थापित करना है जो वर्ल्ड पूरा में एक ही हो, द बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी होगा सर। और पैमा मुझे इतना जगाया है कि मैं आपसे मुलाकात पैमा के द्वारा ही हुआ सर। तो जो जैसा मैं हूँ सभी युवक ध्यान में आना है, यही तो लाइफ का पर्पस है सर। तो एक दिन आएगा ध्यान महाचक्र में सभी लोग सारी वर्ल्ड की युवता हम ध्यान महाचक्र में आपके सामने देखना चाहते सर। उस दिन तक हम स्पिरिचुअलिटी सभी को बात पहुंचाते थे।
हाँ, ये वेणु सब ऐसे लोगों को कैसे पकड़ा दे तू?
अवेकन्ड सर।
आपका शिष्य लोग है सर, हम सब गुरु के जैसे ही होगा शिष्य लोग। दोस्ती की all the birds of same flock will get to one place, right sir? So we all are coming to one place because of you sir. We are getting attracted to you actually. जैसे आप वैसे हम, बस
इसी को कहते हैं हिंदी में संगत का असर। क्या पूनम जी आप अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं?
नहीं, अभी तो हमें आश्चर्य हो रहा है कितने अच्छे से हिंदी में, दे आर सो अवेकन्ड। तो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, कितने अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं, कितने अच्छे से डिटेल में समझा रहे हैं, कितना अच्छा आसन करके दिखा रहे हैं। यस, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दिस। ऐसा ही होना चाहिए।
yes, thank you so much Ashita, that was really wonderful. That poem was really nice. I couldn't expect that from you, and I will give you a treat later. Thank you so much for and sir, we have
thank you.
Yes. Hey Venu, introduce this girl for all Jan Hindustan, all cities, so that she can guide everybody in Hindi.
Yes.
Venu, this is your job.
Sure sir, sure, I will do that sir.
Sure, what this?
Okay,
thank you so much.
All these three girls, you know, Indrani, yes, what is the other third girl?
Vaishnavi, Indrani and Harshita. We
yes.
have some more youths also.
Let me remember. Vaishnavi, Indrani, Harshita. Vaishnavi, Indrani, Harshita. Vaishnavi, Indrani, Harshita. Vaishnavi. इन तीनों को थोड़ा हिंदुस्तान में आपको परिचय करवाना। पूनम जी, आपका काम है।
ठीक है सर,
मैं आपको सौंप दिया ये काम।
ठीक है सर, जरूर।
3 नाम बोलिए, 3 नाम।
हर्षिता, इंद्रानी एंड वैष्णवी, इंदिरा, हर्षिता।
वैष्णवी, इंद्रानी, हर्षिता।
वैष्णवी, इंद्रानी, हर्षिता।
ये तीनों का नाम लिख लीजिए ईशा जी।
यस सर। सर क्या इंस्पिरेशन है। एक सेकंड केशव एक बार आवाज मत करो। सर क्या इंस्पिरेशन है, क्या बात है सर। सर मुझे लगता है कि सर पूरे ध्यान हिंदुस्तान में नहीं बल्कि सर सारे यूथ सेशन में ये तीनों लड़कियों को आना चाहिए और सारे यूथ को इंस्पायर करना चाहिए सर कल ही मुझे एक ऐसा अपने अंदर से गाइडेंस आया था सर। मेरी डॉटर है 15 साल की, उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं सर 15, 16, 17 साल के। सर वो लोग घर आए थे तो सर मैं देख रही थी कि सर बहुत बड़े यूथ के ऊपर काम करना है सर। तो कल सर मैंने शिवांगी से भी ये बात शेयर की थी कि शिवांगी मुझे एक ऐसा मैसेज आ रहा है कि मुझे यूथ के ऊपर काम करना है सर। सर दो आई एम नॉट, आई मीन एज वाइज आई एम नॉट इन दैट कैटेगरी ऑफ यूथ सर बट यू नो सर मुझे बहुत अंदर से आ रहा है कि यूथ के ऊपर काम करना है सर। एंड सर आज बच्चों को देखकर आई एम सो अगेन इंस्पायर्ड सर। यू नो आई कुड लाइक यू नो सर इट्स अ रिकन्फर्मेशन कि यस इट वाज द राइट गाइडेंस फॉर मी सर। Sir, I want them to be with us, sir. एंड यू नो सर ये सबको गाइड करेंगे बच्चे सर।
और 3 नाम बोलो आप।
सर इंद्रानी इंद्रानी हर्षिता वैष्णवी।
और एक बार बोलो।
इंद्रानी हर्षिता वैष्णवी, इंद्रानी हर्षिता वैष्णवी, इंद्रानी हर्षिता वैष्णवी सर।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
बात है सर। आज तो सर हम लोग को डेली नाश्ता मिलता है सर। आज नाश्ता लंच डिनर सब मिल गया सर।
मंडे बेस्ट डे है।
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So energetic.
Super energetic.
तो हर मंडे हम पाइमा के साथ करेंगे।
Yes, yes, एकदम।
चलिए सब लोग 5 मिनट ध्यान में बैठिए। पूनम जी सबको ध्यान में बिठाइए।
यस सर। सभी अपने चश्मे उतार दे, पैरों को क्रॉस करेंगे, हाथों की उंगलियां आपस में फंसाएंगे, आराम से बैठे, कोई सोच नहीं, कोई विचार नहीं, और सांसों के साथ जुड़ जाइए। पूरी तरह से आराम से बैठे, पीठ का सहारा ले सकते हैं, सर का नहीं। करना कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ सांसों के साथ रहना है। हम दुनिया का सबसे सही ध्यान, सबसे बेस्ट ध्यान, आनापानसति ध्यान कर रहे हैं। यह एक पाली भाषा का शब्द है। आना मतलब आती हुई सांस, अपान मतलब जाती हुई सांस, सती मतलब सांसों के साथ रहना। बिल्कुल डूब जाएं सांसों के साथ।
आखिरी 1 मिनट। तीस सेकंड। बीस सेकंड। 10 सेकंड। 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0। अपने दोनों हाथों को दोनों आंखें के ऊपर रख लीजिए। 5 सेकंड। 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0। धीरे धीरे हाथ निकालते हुए आंखें खोल लीजिए। थैंक यू पूनम जी। आज आपके कारण हर्षिता को, इंद्राणी को और वैष्णव को मैं जाना है।
थैंक यू सर।
ये पूरा श्रेय आपको ही जाता है।
नहीं सर, आपको जाता है।
नहीं, आपको जाता है।
नहीं, आपको जाता है।